Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to poke on Facebook. If you are wondering how to poke someone on Facebook using an iPhone, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you. First, open the Facebook app and make sure you are logged into your account on your iPhone. At the top of the screen, tap the magnifying glass. In the search bar, type pokes and press search. You will see a page called poke. Tap on it. On the screen you will see people who poked you, friends you can poke. To poke someone back, just tap poke back. To poke someone new, tap poke next to their name. You can also get a friend's profile. Tap the three dot button, and if the poke option shows up, tap poke. Once you're poke someone, you will get a notification letting them know they can poke you back, ignore it or start conversation. If you doesn't see the poke feature, don't worry. Make sure your Facebook app is updated because app is slowly enrolling this feature out to everyone. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.